Namaste, good evening. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to take you through this very simple and short 5-minute affirmation meditation that is ideal to do right before bed. So if you want, you can do this on your bed or right before crawling underneath the covers. An affirmation meditation simply means that I'm going to be saying some positive affirmation statements that help to encourage relaxation, stress relief, and helping you prepare for bed. As you listen to the affirmations, you can just repeat them to yourself once or twice internally as a way to really process and integrate them, feeling the effects of those statements and letting them just soothe and relax you from head to toe so that when you crawl into the covers, you're able to just drift off to sleep and hopefully stay asleep, maybe for a full 8 hours. We'll see, depends on your schedule, I guess. And we want to close our eyes. And whether you're doing this sitting or reclined, try to make sure there's lots of length along your spine and that your shoulders are down and away from your ears. No tension around your eyes, in your jaw, in your neck. We can fully let go of our day. This is your time to tune in and to tune the rest of the world out. Let your breath be natural, so you're not forcing it. Just simple and steady breath. Listening to the affirmations and repeating them once or twice internally. Let's begin. I fall asleep easily and wake up refreshed. I release all thoughts of worries and relax fully. It is easy for me to fall asleep and stay asleep. I welcome peace and serenity. My body is relaxed and my mind is calm. I've done my best today, and that's enough. I give myself the gift of rest. I feel each muscle in my body soften a little bit more. Tomorrow I will wake up refreshed and alert. I fall asleep easily and wake up refreshed. I release all thoughts of worries and relax fully. It is easy for me to fall asleep and stay asleep. I welcome peace and serenity. My body is relaxed and my mind is calm. I've done my best today, and that's enough. I give myself the gift of rest. I feel each muscle in my body soften a little bit more. Tomorrow I will wake up refreshed and alert. Let's take a cleansing breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. If you are sitting, you can join your hands at your heart, bowing in. Thank you so much for doing this bedtime affirmation meditation with me. I hope that you feel ready to drift off into a wonderful night's sleep. Please subscribe and I'll practice again with you very soon.